Statistics is an integral part of research and there is no getting away from numbers. SPSS comes to the rescue by making quantitative data much easier to deal with. The objective of this online workshop is to help social science researchers achieve a basic understanding of SPSS as well as aid those who wish to take their knowledge of SPSS further. This workshop aims to discuss various statistical concepts commonly applied in social science research like descriptive statistics, parametric tests and non-parametric tests with series of examples. This first of its kind online workshop is designed keeping your work schedule in mind. All 4 sessions are in the evenings, 90 minutes each with enough time to practice. So go ahead and save your spot and I'll see you in the workshop.